Assalamu alaikum, guys. Welcome, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm pretty sure आप लोगों ने ये न्यूज़ सुनी होगी. It's getting quite the rounds in the media that 6 Pakistan Army personnel embraced martyrdom in Balochistan helicopter crash. Alright, जिसमें आपके Lieutenant General Sarfaraz Ali, Brigadier who is approved to be a Major General Amjad Hanif, Brigadier Muhammad Khalid, Major Saeed Ahmed, मेजर मोहम्मद तलहा मनान एंड नाइक मुदस्सिर फयाज. ठीक है जी. सो ये न्यूज़ बहुत ज़्यादा इस वक्त चल रही है मीडिया पे भी, सोशल मीडिया पे भी. पूरी उसकी डिटेल्स किस तरह बलूचिस्तान में एक पाक आर्मी का हेलीकॉप्टर, इट वाज ऑन अ रूटीन फ़्लाइट जो कि बेसिकली फ्लड रिलीफ के पर्पसेस कर रहा था वहाँ पे. और वहाँ पे it lost contact with the air traffic control, and then it was confirmed that the helicopter has in fact crashed. So हर जगह पे ये news confirmed है. And the important thing about this is the high profile officers that have lost their life in this crash. I mean, Lieutenant General, right? Brigadier, who is approved to be a Major General, all right? Brigadier. So these guys are pretty high-ranking officials. I mean, Lieutenant General is the highest-ranking official of Pakistan Army, right? तो काफ़ी serious scenario है, right? तो हर जगह ये न्यूज़ चल रही थी और अभी भी चल रही है. DGIS के official tweet August 1 को Pakistan Army Aviation Helicopter, which was on flood relief operations in Lasbela Balochistan, lost contact with ATC air traffic control. 6 individuals were on board, including Co-Commander 12th Corps, who was supervising flood relief operations in Balochistan. Search operation is underway. DTF. I really don't know what DTF means. Forgive me for that. But I'm pretty sure somebody from among you guys knows the meaning of DTF. So, I mean, okay, it's a big deal. It's a really big deal. A general who was serving as a major general was promoted to the rank of lieutenant general. Following his promotion, he was posted as the co-commander of 12th Corps, which is also known as the Southern Command. All right. Obviously, everybody's concerned. हर किसी को concern है कि यार ये इतना मरीम नवाज ने भी tweet कर दिया. Imran Khan disturbing news of Army Aviation Helicopter missing and praying for all those on board. So परवेज़ इलाही के भी tweets आ रहे हैं, President of Pakistan के भी tweets आ रहे हैं. So everybody is concerned. So यहाँ तक तो न्यूज़ स्टैंडर्ड जो कि अब ऑलरेडी प्रोपगेट कर चुकी है. एवरीबडी नोज़ के यार आर्मी का एक हेलीकॉप्टर डाउन हुआ है जिसमें आपके जो हैं मेजर जनरल्स, लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल, ब्रिगेडियर्स और मेजर्स जो कि हाई रैंकिंग ऑफिशियल्स हैं who lost their lives. But it gets more interesting. So here's the 2 outtakes. Number 1, Pakistan insurgents claim downing army helicopter, killing 6. Now this is serious. Already Balochistan में जो separatist insurgents हैं उनका scenario काफ़ी hardcore चल रहा है. I mean, these guys are really serious. They are allegedly funded by India and Israel, right? And they literally want to break off from Pakistan and become a separate state of their own, which is a state level threat. It's a threat to the national interests of the state. All right. So the province is also home Balochistan to deep-water Gwadar port, which neighboring China has been developing as part of a multi-billion-dollar China-Pakistan economic corridor (CPEC) to link road and Pakistan routes with Beijing's. All right. ठीक है, इंसर्जेंट्स ने क्लेम कर दिया कि वी हैव शॉट डाउन एंड डाउन द हेलीकॉप्टर, जो कि न्यूज़ आ रही है हमारे पास ऑलरेडी August 3 की. ठीक है. But it gets even fishier when we come to know that did a US drone accidentally shoot down Pakistan Army helicopter in Balochistan? So this is a very sketchy part. We all know that recently Pakistan allowed US to use Pakistan's airspace in operations against Afghanistan, right? That is confirmed. So now आपको पता चले कि यार US drone ने Pakistan Aviation Helicopter crash कर दिया. So ये न्यूज़ कहाँ से निकलती, कहाँ से? ये बेसिकली न्यूज़ स्टार्ट हुई है इस ट्वीट से Karen E. Gifford, who's claiming to be a level 2 policy advisor to David Bloom, US ambassador to Pakistan. All right, उसने ये tweet की, the US Embassy in Pakistan regrets to inform that one of our tactical drones has accidentally targeted a Pakistan Army helicopter, resulting in multiple fatalities. Team is on the crash site, Lasbela Balochistan. We mourn the loss of Corps Commander 12 Co, Lieutenant General Sarfraz Ali, right? So इस ट्वीट के फ़ौरन बाद क्या होता है, ट्वीट के वक्त जो कैरन गिफोर्ड है उसके ट्विटर अकाउंट जो कि एक्चुअली अक्टूबर 2021 में बना गया है, उस पर मैक्सिमम 2 फॉलोअर्स थे. इस ट्वीट के बाद वो फॉलोअर्स बढ़ के 500 हो गए. ऑलराइट, उस वक्त, अब तो इससे ऑब्वियसली ज़्यादा हो चुके होंगे, अब उसने नाम चेंज करके चैंटल लॉस्टन कर दिया. जो बायो है वो बेसिकली सेम रही. राइट, और दिस इज़ फेक न्यूज़. Alright, yeah, I get a fake account posted a fake tweet quoting the US Embassy in Pakistan, so it's confirmed this is a fake account. News about the US drone downing the Pakistan Army helicopter is fake news. News about insurgents claiming to have downed the helicopter, this is still sketchy, it's not confirmed. But what is confirmed that a Pakistan Army Aviation Helicopter with 6 Army personnel on board, 3 extremely high-ranking officials and 2 high-ranking officials on board, all of them lost their lives. May Allah grant them Jannah. May Allah forgive them. May Allah make the afterlife easier for them. Alright guys, this was another truth behind the scenes. Till next time, peace out.